On last week's video, we brought you a 5 Series decontamination video and explained the processes of getting the iron fallout and the tar off the paintwork. Today, we've got a filthy, dirty Q5. It's had a family in it. There's kids' dirt everywhere. There's some really satisfying content throughout this video. Come check it. Last week we tried out the AM Details acid-free wheel cleaner and we really liked it, so this is what we're going to go with again. If you fancy trying the product, there's a link below in the comments and there's an iValet UK discount code on AM Details website. Guys, don't forget 1,000 subs and we're doing the GTech Giveaway. The reason why we ask you to subscribe to the channel is so that more people can watch the videos. YouTube then pays us to provide you with more content and the more videos that we can make. So if you want more content, get a sub in, win the GTech product. So we're just about to take the seats out of the Q5. There's loads of dirt in the car in general, so we can't wait to find out what's hiding underneath those seats. Come and check this out. Having kids in the back of the car can lead to loads of excess dirt in places that you couldn't even imagine. Have a look underneath the seats in the back. So it's always easier to remove the rubber and plastic pieces from the interior if you can. It's much easier to clean them, you can bend them, you can shape them, and you can get in all the little grooves. check them out now. We've extracted, scrubbed with a drill brush, so they've all come up, and literally the pile in the carpet is brand new again. Lewis is on the seats at the moment. He's giving them a good clean up, making sure that the leather's all clean, fresh. There's no dirt, oil or grease on there. Remember, shiny leather's dirty leather. Just come and take a look round the inside of these carpets now and look how they were about 2 hours ago. Massive difference. It's getting dark, the Q5's all done and dusted, it's time to go home. Let's check back through all of the before and after pictures, and guys, we'll see you next time.